Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain why the Soviet Union was bad. The Soviet Union, a powerful state for much of the 20th century, faced significant internal and external criticisms. Its system, while aiming for equality, often resulted in severe hardships for its citizens. We'll explore the economic failures, the lack of personal freedoms, and the broader impact of its policies on the world stage. Understanding these aspects helps us grasp its complex and often troubling history. The Soviet Union's centrally planned economy struggled to meet consumer demands. Government control over all production meant that basic goods were often scarce, leading to long lines and a thriving black market. Agricultural collectivization, intended to boost output, instead resulted in devastating famines, costing millions of lives. Without the competition and incentives of a free market, innovation and quality often suffered significantly. Personal freedoms were severely curtailed under Soviet rule. Citizens had limited rights to express dissent, travel freely, or even choose their own careers. The state employed extensive surveillance and a powerful secret police force to maintain control, leading to widespread fear. Those who challenged the system often faced harsh penalties, including imprisonment in labor camps or even execution, silencing opposition effectively. The dissolution of the Soviet Union marked a pivotal moment in global history, ending the Cold War and reshaping international relations. While it achieved rapid industrialization and technological advancements, these often came at an immense human cost. Its system left a complex legacy of both progress and profound human rights abuses. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.